Google time, the new Google Pixel 11 XL. Kind of excited about this. It's the larger one. It's got the 6.8-inch screen. They are using the Google Tensor G6 chip as well. Check this out. Ready? Very nice. This is the olive color. This particular one is 512 gigabytes. On the back here, it's got 3 cameras, a 50 megapixel and 2 48 megapixels. One of them is 5 times optical zoom, which I'm excited to try out. And it's got a very bright screen as well. We'll get to that in a second. But inside the box, you get obviously the phone, but also the charging cord. Pretty simple nowadays. You don't get the charging block anymore, but that's just the way it is. And so this particular one, let's turn this on. We're running 2600 nits. Try that again. As far as the screen, 6.8 inches, 3600 nits. That's the actual screen brightness. So this is going to be good out in sunlight. It's got the magnetic back now for wireless charging, which is nice, kind of like the iPhone's had for a few years. It also has a 45-watt fast charging as well. Battery life, I think, going to be good in this. It's over 5100 milliamp hour battery in this, so you'll be able to use this all day long. We're going to be doing a deeper dive on this, but as you can see, beautiful phone. Google does a nice job with the design of their phones. Again, the Google Pixel XL, the latest from the Google folks. Stay tuned for more videos.